In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Omid TV application. First, you can head over to omid.tv. Usually, this particular site is only available on the browser and doesn't really have a standalone application. So this means that you can actually access it on your browser without downloading anything. First, head over to Omid TV, and if you see this installed, this means that you can install it directly into your device, but as a browser add-in. So as you can see, you can use Omid TV to chat with people. You can try the application from the Google Play or App Store if you want to as well. And from in there, you can just sign up using their dedicated channels such as Facebook, Google, and VKID. You need to also make sure that you're at least 18 years old to actually access it. And here are some rules that they actually have available. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you